I go to a public school in America, and the women there are very like not properly dressed. And my question is about lowering the gaze. So like, if I were to walk normally, then there's like no way that I wouldn't see like a woman in like my view, but like not like staring, but like they would be in the view. So like, I was wondering how exactly should I lower my gaze at that point? Do I have to like, yeah, no, that's my question.
Akhi, there is a difference between walking and checking every woman that crosses your eyesight and walking and randomly just looking without focusing. Checking out women and repeating your gaze and taking a snapshot of their height, their measurements, their age, their different features, this is what's haram. Islam doesn't say that you have to put a blindfold and keep on banging into light posts and walls and tripping and falling on your face to lower your gaze. No, act normally. I travel and I go to different countries of the world and I see lots of women. There's a difference between just seeing your way and moving on. Even when I speak to non-mahram women, I don't look them in the eyes and stare and get a good look with facial expressions and seeing how clear their skin is, whether they're wearing contact lenses to change the color of their eyes or not, and whether their measurements are this. No, I don't do this. I look through them. Meaning I don't even, if you ask me how do they look, I say, I don't know. I don't even remember. I can't focus because I'm not looking at them. I'm looking through them so that I wouldn't be sinful for not lowering my gaze. So living in a kafir country, surrounded by so many immodest women, necessitates that you live like that, because at the end of the day, this is where you live. You have to work there. You have to go to uni. You have to meet people. But at the same time, you don't make life difficult. I'm not saying that lift all boundaries and chit-chat and flirt and joke and crack jokes and be humorous with them. No. But at the same time, I don't say that when they're there, you just talk to them, say, I'm not looking at you, talk to the hand. This is also not applicable, and Allah knows best.